This pizza costs just $1. Yes, only $1. Simple, cheap, ordinary. And this pizza costs $1,000. More expensive than a smartphone. More expensive than a month of groceries. Side by side, they look almost the same. Same shape, same idea. But here's the truth. One is made to satisfy your hunger, and the other is made to impress your ego. Stay till the end, because the cheaper one might surprise you. Let's talk about the $1 pizza. This pizza doesn't try to be special. It exists for one reason only: to feed people. Simple flour dough, basic tomato sauce, low-cost cheese, no luxury, no branding, no story to sell. Just food that people can afford. The crust is thin, soft. The cheese melts quickly, but it's not rich or creamy. Still, the smell feels familiar. Comforting. This pizza doesn't try to impress you. It simply does its job. And honestly, for $1, that's more than enough. Now let's jump from the cheapest pizza to one of the most expensive pizzas in the world. This pizza is not made for hunger. It is made for attention. Rare white truffles, imported cheese, caviar, even real edible gold. Every ingredient is expensive. Every detail is controlled. You are not paying for calories. You are paying for experience. You are paying for status. The flavor is rich, smooth, perfectly balanced. Yes, it tastes amazing. But here's the real question. If you close your eyes, does it really taste 1,000 times better? $1 pizza feeds your body. $1,000 pizza feeds your image. One is about hunger. The other is about showing off. Now tell me, which one would you choose? Comment below.